𝐜𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐞. Welcome back to Learn and Thrive 2.0, where we're diving deep into the world of YouTube SEO today. If you're looking to boost your video's visibility and grow your channel, you're in the right place. I'm 𝐜𝐨𝐿𝐵𝐻, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out again. Understanding YouTube SEO. YouTube SEO is all about optimizing your videos to rank higher in YouTube search results and recommendations. It's your ticket to getting more views and subscribers. YouTube algorithm insights. YouTube's algorithm is smart, and understanding how it works is key. Stick around, and I'll share some insights to help you get your videos noticed. Title: YouTube SEO Mastery. Boost your video's visibility. Before starting, I want to tell you that I think this very important to tell you. Before keyword searching, select a evergreen content keyword research for YouTube. Let's talk about the first crucial step: keyword research for your YouTube videos. Choosing video keywords. Identify the right keywords for your video. Use tools like YouTube Search Suggest or Google Trends to find what people are searching for, and also 𝐜𝐵𝐴 and keyword.io. Short tail key word versus long tail. Keyword short tail means short query on the topic example, 𝐜𝐵𝐴 and how to make biscuit. Don't ignore long tail keywords. They can make your video more discoverable to a niche audience. We'll explore how to find the best ones. Section 2. Title and description. Your title must be a long tail keyword in starting. You must choose the scores in 59% to 87%. It must be a evergreen keyword. And for description, I have a tip for you. Put your script in your description. Now let's optimize your actual video content for maximum impact. Section 3. Title and description. Optimization. Craft compelling video titles and descriptions. These are crucial for YouTube's algorithm and enticing viewers to click. Tags and timestamps. Use relevant tags and timestamps to provide additional context to YouTube's algorithm and make your video more user-friendly. And the important point of this topic is the relevancy. If you found at least 5 relevant, then use it. But if you didn't found any tags about your topic, you didn't need to use any trending tag, because we are working on evergreen content. Conclusion. So there you have it, a crash course in YouTube SEO. Remember, it's an ongoing process, so stay consistent and keep optimizing. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube strategies. And if there is any question, comment it. I'll be reply soon. Thanks you.